Hello guys, so welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about how to find web design clients using social media. Yes, we're going to use social media to find web design client. Now, I've actually been employing this principle for myself as a freelancer and for my agency. And to be frank, it has actually been working perfectly. And so in this video, I'm going to tell you guys how you can do it, how you can use social media to literally get clients for your web design business or for your web design agency. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, before we dive in, please, if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It is very important to us. You're literally supporting us, supporting the work we are doing right here on YouTube. Yes, you're literally supporting the work we are doing here on YouTube. And don't forget to like this video. And if you have any question, click on the comment, ask your question, or explain what you don't understand, and then we'll get back to you by explaining it back to you on the comment section. So, how do you literally find clients? From social media. How do you get clients from social media? Ranging from Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and all that form of social media. How do you get clients? So before you even start finding clients, what you need to do first is to optimize your social media. Yes, some of you have social media that look as if you are angry with the platform. Your social media profile look as if you're angry with the platform. Your bio, everything look as if you have a problem with the platform. For example, if I go through your Facebook page, the first thing I will see on your Facebook page is a profile picture that is literally not related to what you are doing. Now, if someone that wants to get you hired, do you think if I visit your profile, it will literally be encouraging for me to ask you, okay, can you run this service for me? Some those of you that have a picture of love, heartbreak, and the others, it's literally not okay. As a business person, you want to ensure that your profile is very up to date and up to standard. So you have a lot of people you are competing with in this web design or digital space, and so you want to make sure that your profile actually stands out by what? By having a very good profile picture. Yes, having a very good profile picture. It is very important. Go to the studio. It's not too expensive to snap a good picture. We even have iPhone these days. So pick up an iPhone, snap a good picture, and upload it on your social. You can edit it, remove the background, and make sure that it is clean. And then you snap a good picture, and then you can utilize it for your social. Then you want to optimize your social media. Write what you do on your about page, on your bio. Just write what you do. Let people see. For example, if you go to my LinkedIn profile, you see what I do on my LinkedIn, and it's very easy for someone to literally message me because they already know what I do. And there is a link to my portfolio on my bio. So it's very important that your social media is literally straight and arranged and is up to standard before you decide to start looking for clients. So how do you find clients for social media or from social media after you have put these things in order? Step one, join relevant social groups. Okay, now if you're using Facebook or LinkedIn, you want to join groups that are literally relevant to the industry or to the niche you're actually targeting. So if you do web design and you are into real estate, like real estate web designer, and you want to be associated to groups, if you're using LinkedIn right now, you want to be associated to groups that are literally talking about real estate. Also with those of you guys on Facebook, you want to be in groups that are literally talking about real estate, that are literally talking about properties. There you can meet people that literally have business that wants to use your service. So if you are into real estate or you are a web designer that is interested in building website for real estate agent, you have to find these people by joining their platform, and then you can start messaging them one after the other. So I did this on the WhatsApp forum where I looked for real estate agents. I searched for real estate agents on Facebook, and then I saw their forum on WhatsApp where they literally engage with one another. And then I decided to message them one after the other and pitch my idea to them and pitch my services to them. And luckily for me, one of them was like, "Yes, I've been looking for someone to do a website for me." And then they paid me, I did website for them. So it is very easy when you join communities and groups that literally has people that you are interested in or that has this I'll call them superior in their own industry. There you can meet with their boss or the boss, and then you can talk with them and tell them what you do, as it is very vital for you getting clients in social media. Now, number two, post valuable content. Okay, you want to post valuable content because if no one sees what you're talking about, if no one knows what you're talking about, no one knows what you do, it is very, very hard for them to say, okay, let's go and look for this person. I think he does this thing. So, for example, you are a web designer, and what you post on your timeline are literally entertainment content. So every time you post entertainment, people dancing, people now that timeline, if I were to be an employer or someone that is looking for a web designer, I wouldn't consider you as fit because your account or your profile does not match what I'm looking for. So you want to post content that is relating to that industry or to that niche. So as a web designer, you want to talk about web designer. Your tweets, if you're on Twitter, should be more about tech, web design, around that environment. It shouldn't be more entertainment. You can post entertainment once in a while, but it's fine. But you want to post more about tech as it will help people when they come to your profile, when they visit your profile through any of your content. They'll be like, okay, this is what this person do, and I will be willing to work with this person because he's serious with his craft. So if you go through my LinkedIn page or my Twitter page, you notice that more of it I post about tech. I talk about tech. I talk about AI. I talk about social media management. I basically stay on the tech body. That doesn't mean I don't post random things once in a while, but my main focus is on the tech body, so that when someone comes to my profile and look at my profile, you can easily tell what I do and the industry I am focused on. So step number three, create content. Now, I know you might think like I am most tech people are literally introverts. I know you might want to think that tech people are literally introverts, but in 2024, if you are a tech person or you are an introvert, it's going to be hard for you, to be honest. I think that's why most tech people don't get job after they are busy learning web design, after they are done learning how to build websites, learn the coding, they still do not have jobs. Because why? It's more of a competition these days. When you get to Fiverr, you see a million people that do the same thing you do. Just go to any of these platforms. In fact, write on Google web designer near me or developer near me. You're going to see a list like list. So how do people find you when they already have a million and one developers online or a million and one web designer online? So let me tell you what you do. You create content. For me right now, I'm creating content for you on YouTube. Now you might not like YouTube. YouTube might not be fun for you, but there are other places you can create content. I've gotten a job from TikTok. I've gotten jobs from Facebook. I've gotten jobs from YouTube. But you have to pick your own niche. If you are not familiar with YouTube, you have to go and stick to where you are familiar with. For me right now, Twitter is not working too hard. It's not working too much for me when it comes to client finding. But I know of a certain developer that gets all his clients from Twitter. Now, I know of another one that focus being mainly on LinkedIn. But my own place, my own content, my own platform is YouTube. So you have to pick your own platform and start creating content. Create content about web design, create content about tech, create content about your agency, create content about what you do. And when people see this content, they'll be interested in you. Do video, don't worry. I know you are shy. There are other ways to do video. You don't have to show your face in all your videos. Just look for a way to use. You can use AI. Just do something that people can engage on and say, okay, this is what this person is doing, and they will be willing to patronize you and give you a contract if need be. So the next step is for you to run advertisement. Yes, on social media, sometimes it's hard to be honest. It's hard if you're not doing the above three or four steps I just mentioned. But if you run advertisement, it makes your life easy. Yes, run advertisement. Tell people, let people be aware of what you're doing. Run ads that will yield results. If you don't know how to run advertisement, then go and learn how to run Facebook ad. I have a video on my playlist on my YouTube channel that talks about Facebook ad, Google ads. Learn to run advertisement. As with advertisement, you can get to see people that are interested in your services and are willing to pay you to perform that service for them. So that is one. Now, another way you can literally make use of social media to get clients for your agency or for yourself as a freelancer is to collaborate with influencers. Now we have certain influencers that we collaborate with in our agency, and these influencers they help us to promote our brand online. We have other platforms that they also promote. Now it has actually been yielding result because they have a very high amount of followings and their engagement are literally good. So you want to collaborate with them on social media. For example, if you know a friend that has about 100K followers, what you can just do to the person is say, okay, let me settle you so and so amount, and then you talk about my business on your page, or you post something about my business, or you do a video about my business on your page. And if the person does that, you are actually having a higher chance of getting people to use your service or to contact you as relating your service or what you are doing. And that is great because it will literally yield to profit. Now, do not mind the money you spend when it comes to promotion, advertisement, and collaboration because at the end of the day, if you know what you're doing, you're going to get it back from the social media you are actually running the promotion on. So I think that should be enough. But if I were to add one to it, guys, I will say is collaboration. Now on social media, you can be able to collaborate with a certain person, be it influencer or not. You can be able to collaborate with brands and make posts. Now collaboration literally gives you a higher chance of being seen. So assuming I, being from Nigeria, I collaborate with Gossip Me in creating a post. Let's assume a post that is relating to web design, and Gossip Me post it tagging me. Then the collaboration we did, if Gossip Me has about 20, let's say 2 million followers, I don't even have the exact idea of the number of followers they have. If Gossip Me has about a million followers, out of that million followers, I'm going to see at least 1,000 people message me. Now, that 1,000 people, at least I'm going to get no less than 50 jobs from 1,000 people, and my social media following is going to increase. So collaboration is also very hard and very good. Yes, it's very good, and it can literally get you users and customers and clients that will literally work with you. So I think this should be all for this video on how to get how to get web design clients using social media. Yes, using social media. I did a full video before where I did step by step and I explained everything on how you can use Instagram. I also did for Facebook. They are all on my playlist. You can go to my playlist and search for check for how to get web design clients. You're going to see them, and you can make use of what I explained in the video to literally find clients in those social media. But the step I just gave right now, how the basic step you can use to get clients for yourself as a web designer. So thanks for watching, guys. I will see you on my next video. So the videos that's going to pop on your screen is going to tell you how you can find clients on Instagram. So watch that video and practice the step there. Practice the step, and I also create a template for you guys to utilize. So use the template. That's what we're using at our agency. So you use it and get clients. And I want to see you at the top. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and comment if you have any issue. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.